Hi there. I'm Libby Mills, registered dietitian and spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. I'm really excited to tell you about my work. Being a registered dietitian has been one of the most engaging, tastiest, and honestly rewarding careers for me. Every day, my goal is to help people eat healthy. Got a few minutes? In this video, I'll show you what I do as a registered dietitian who provides nutrition counseling, cooking classes, and mass media communication. But wait, to do this right, I first have to go back to when I became a registered dietitian. In my early years of school, nutrition and health, they were my passion. But at that time, I wasn't sure how it would play out into a career. One of my teachers suggested I learn more about nutrition careers. And in doing so, I discovered the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, the world's largest organization of food and nutrition professionals. And I decided to join as a student member. Immediately, I found opportunities to participate in the association, educational workshops, networking, connecting to mentors, accessing resources, and along with 10,000 registered dietitians and industry leaders, I could attend FINSE, the largest meeting of food and nutrition experts. My years as a student member were exciting because I was learning, I was meeting people, I was getting inspiration, and I could feel my passion becoming my career path. Fast forward to now. Now I help people eat healthy through nutrition counseling, cooking classes, mass media communication, and I'm always translating the science of nutrition into easy, doable choices. Here's what I do. 2 or 3 days a week, I block out for meeting with clients. When we meet, I assess their nutritional status and work with them to set achievable goals and actionable strategies to reach those goals. I provide evidence-based guidance and tools, and I support their progress along the way. Field trips with my clients to farms, farmers markets, and supermarkets are fun ways to engage in nutrition. I help people get excited about fruits and vegetables, find nutrient-dense foods, understand label reading and health claims. In my office, I use food labels, food models, restaurant menus, and visual aids for building nutrition-savvy skills. I help people save time and money getting foods that are chock full of nutrients to stock in their kitchens for the week. But nutrition is only as good as the food we eat, and no one's going to eat foods that don't taste good, are difficult to make, or that aren't enjoyable. Menu planning, meal prep, and recipes are a big part of my nutrition counseling and cooking classes. On days I'm not doing nutrition counseling, I schedule cooking classes with individuals, families, and groups. These are a blast. The classes showcase easy recipes, healthy cooking techniques, helpful tips, and scrumptious food. It's fun because I feel like a friend and I get to eat what I make. But to make the time educational and meaningful to the participant, I have to prepare. I will create the menu and recipes, develop personalized learning objectives for each class, and how I will teach and demonstrate those points. I will shop for ingredients, and just before the class, I will organize the ingredients, utensils, the equipment, and set up the audio-visual communication. Food safety and proper food handling are always important in every class. And after the class, I clean up. Since I started nutrition counseling and cooking classes, there have been many success stories, and a couple I want to share with you. One man started meeting with me in 2017. Now that was over 100 pounds ago. But when he first started, he knew he wanted to make changes for better health and to lower his high blood pressure. But he didn't really like many vegetables, and he was even less sure if he would like making healthier choices. I provided him with tools and support that he needed to lose over 100 pounds and go on to competitively play sports with athletes 20 years younger. Small changes with nutrition have big health benefits. Losing even 5 to 7% of your body weight has shown to lower your blood sugar, blood pressure, and reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Another win I want to share happened after a health screening. A graduate student learned her cholesterol was high. She was about to graduate and wanted to reclaim her health over the summer. She tried using the internet to find out information, but was quickly confused by all the contradictions. Now, when she and I first met, I personalized an evidence-based meal plan specifically for her lifestyle. We met a couple more times, we tweaked the plan, problem solved, kept her momentum going. By her annual physical, her LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, was normal, and her good cholesterol had increased. I have many clients who use apps or other programs, but find added benefit from the one-on-one personalized nutrition I provide. And I'm working more and more with people who want to eat more plant-based or eat vegetarian. This transition, it's exciting, but it should be monitored to ensure adequate intake of nutrients and protein. And clients appreciate learning how to use plant-based proteins in their cooking. Some of my clients have hit weight plateaus, stagnated with their motivation, or simply become bored with what they're eating. Nutrition counseling is the perfect reset button that they need to find that motivation for healthy change. Now, you can see how gratifying and rewarding it is to help people as a registered dietitian. As spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, I help people understand the science, and I give them easy, actionable steps that they can take to benefit from the research. Mondays are my media days. This is when I pitch important trending topics to reporters and journalists, and I provide interviews for print, online, TV, and radio media outlets like the Nightly News, Sirius Radio, Prevention, or Men's Health. I may give 3 to 10 interviews per month. Mondays are also when I host my weekly radio show, Libby's Luncheonette. For 10 years, my topics have focused on sustainable food, nutrition, and cooking, all to help people make the healthiest choices for their personal, community, and environmental health and well-being. The process begins with a topic concept. Then I invite experts to be guests. I build the show content and outline the flow. It's like telling a story through a variety of conversations. When the show's over, I make a podcast from the recording. Anytime I'm communicating with the public, I research my topics, create memorable evidence-based talk points, and give easy-to-do actions. Through my work, I'm proud to direct people to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, the source for science-based food and nutrition information that they can trust. I started our time together telling you about my experience as a student member, and now a 20-year plus member of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. It has been a good ride. Through my membership, I continue to have opportunities in leadership and education, networking, and mentorship. And yes, I wouldn't miss going to FAND. The Academy still supports my everyday work and provides opportunities for professional growth and recognition. I want to thank you very much for watching my video and taking an interest in what I do as a registered dietitian.